Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi guys, how are you? This is Science Grade 3 lessons, and today we're gonna talk about lesson 3. What is gravity? Again, what is gravity? You're gonna find this lesson in the booklet page 23. Okay, so let's start. Watch this video together to know more about gravity.
There are different forces acting on people all the time. A force is any push or pull. Some forces affect an object without touching it. These are called non-contact forces. Gravity is a non-contact force that pulls objects toward one another. For example, these skydivers are being pulled towards the Earth's center by gravity. Without gravity, they would just float in the sky. The pull of gravity is also what gives an object its weight. When the pull of gravity is weak,
Okay guys, let's back to this point again. What make this man go down to the earth or the land? Do you know? Gravity. Good job. So gravity is a non-contact force that pull things or objects toward earth. And if you maybe ask yourself, is there another gravity? Yeah, you know, every object has its own gravity. How? Let's see.
towards the Earth's center by gravity. Without gravity, they would just float in the sky. The pull of gravity is also what gives an object its weight. When the pull of gravity is weak, like when on the moon, an object weighs less. But weight also depends on the amount of matter.
So again, we know any object in the universe have gravity. Okay, again, any object have its own gravity, and gravity depends on the mass of the object. Okay, so let's back to this part. If we look here, you can see we have here an apple and orange. So gravity here is more than there. Why, teacher? Because when we have bigger mass, it means we have bigger gravity. Again, bigger mass have bigger gravity. Small mass have small gravity. Good job. Okay, so if we look here, those are astronauts on the moon surface. Okay, so they are light. They are light and they can jump higher or higher than they can on Earth. Why? Because moon have less gravity than Earth. Again, moon have less gravity than Earth. Why? Because moon is smaller than Earth. Again, moon is smaller than Earth. So moon have less gravity than Earth. Okay, so let's continue.
When the pull of gravity is weak, like when on the moon, an object weighs less. But weight also.
So guys, you can see here that weight different or change from Earth to moon. Why? Because of gravity. So when we have bigger gravity, so we have bigger weight. When we have less or small gravity, like here in the moon, we have small weight. Okay, let's continue.
But weight also depends on the amount of matter. Objects with more matter have more mass and greater pull of gravity.
Yeah, excellent. Back again. Objects like this, so heavy, so it's so big, it have more mass, so it have more gravity. Excellent.
While it may seem hard to escape gravity on Earth, there are some ways that it can be overcome. Like when you toss a ball into the air. If your push is stronger than the pull of gravity, the ball will go up until gravity pulls it back down. Got it? Sure you do.
Okay, so this is page 23, gravity. Gravity is contact? No, non-contact force. Don't need to touch, okay? Non-contact force that pulls things toward each other. Again, pulls things toward each other. Teacher, this means that not just Earth which have gravity? Yeah. Any object in the whole universe has its own gravity, but the amount of gravity force depends on the mass. Excellent. How big or small? Okay. So a non-contact force is a push or pull that affects an object without touching it. We already know this. Okay, the law of gravity. This is important, guys, okay? The law of gravity states means says that, okay? All objects are pulled toward one another by gravity. All objects. Again, all objects in the whole universe, okay? Pulled toward one another by gravity. Good job. Like here, those people you see, gravity pulls you and other people toward Earth's center. Again, gravity pulls you toward Earth's center. Earth is small? No, large. So its force of gravity is strong. Good job. Again, Earth is large. So its force of gravity is strong. If you think with me, you're gonna find that sun is larger than Earth, so sun have much more gravity. Excellent. It's so strong. That's why the Earth and other planets rotate around the sun. Why? Because of the gravity of the sun. Okay, this is page 24. We're gonna talk about gravity and weight. Okay, teacher, is mass means weight? No, guys. Mass don't means weight. How? Mass is how much matter in the object. Like how much apple in the apple, how much orange in the orange, okay? And this don't change on Earth, on moon, anywhere. Mass don't change, okay? Mass don't change, but weight change. Why? Because weight is the amount of gravity that pulls on an object. Again, weight is the amount of gravity that pulls on an object. So weight change from maybe Earth, Moon, Mars, anywhere you're gonna find weight will change. Why? Because weight depends on gravity. Good job. Okay, so by increasing gravity, the weight increases. Like here, Earth have more gravity than Moon. So we gotta find this man here, weight, I guess this is 90 kilogram. Okay, 200 pounds, it's 90 kilogram, I guess, here on Earth. So gravity is big, excellent, or high, and the weight is high too. Okay, here gravity is less. We have less gravity, so we have less weight. You're gonna find here, this is the same man, by the way. This is the same man, but here just the weight will be 15 kilograms. Wow, just 15 kilograms. Why? Because of gravity. Moon have less gravity, so less weight. Earth have more gravity, so more weight. Okay, so the distance affect the amount of gravity. How, teacher? I'm gonna tell you. If you go up high, okay, the mountain, what will happen? The gravity there will be less. Why? Because you are farther than the center of the earth. But here, this man standing on the land, so he is, much closer to the center of the earth. Here you're gonna find gravity is more, but here high, it's low. Excellent. Okay, so the pull of gravity is less the farther you are from Earth's center. It means when you go up, okay, gravity less. Excellent. Good job. Okay, so this is page 25. Gravity, again, gravity means objects' weight. It depends on the amount of matter in an object. It means object's mass. How, teacher? When you have an elephant and a mouse, which one will have bigger gravity? Let's see. The pull of gravity is greater on objects with more mass. It means elephant. Yeah, excellent. So, elephant have greater gravity, but here mouse have small. So, small objects have small gravity. Small objects, small mass, small gravity. Big objects, big mass, big gravity. Good job. Okay, you have to note that even if the pull of gravity changes, the object's mass stays the same. Good job. So again, we have difference between what? Mass and weight. Mass and weight. Mass don't change. Mass don't change. How much apple in the apple? This don't change, okay? But weight change from one place to another place. Why? Because of gravity. Good job. If we look here at this picture, your mass on Earth here, that's you, by the way. Okay, your mass on Earth and on the moon is the same. Yeah, the mass stay the same, don't change. But weight is different. Good job. Weight is different. Different weight here, and different here. Mass is the same, always 56 kilogram. But here you're gonna find maybe the weight here, I can't read it, maybe it's 56 ounce, and here it's just 9 ounce. Okay, so gravity is a force that can be overcome. How you can run away from gravity or overcome gravity? Like scientists, they use a push, a force, a big push to send maybe rockets and space ships to the space. They have just used light materials, and give it a big push, to go to the space, run away from the gravity and overcome it. Again, it's easier to overcome gravity with a light object than a heavier one. So scientists or astronauts try to make rockets and spaceships light. Why? So it can be easy to send them into space and overcome gravity, run away from the gravity. Okay, so let's watch this video together to know what will happen if we don't have gravity on Earth.
It's awesome time! What if there was no gravity on Earth? No problemo. I will order my burger from space. Oh, so. From purely physics point of view, there would be no Earth left, as no gravity means no mass. But, leaving this point aside, let's see what else will happen. Oceans, rivers, and lakes will float away. Entire atmosphere will vanish. Only vacuum will be left. Everything on the surface of the Earth, including humans, cars, rocks, etc., will become weightless and float away into space. Things that are rooted into Earth, like trees, bridges, and buildings, will remain, but not for long. On a funnier note, anybody will be able to lift heavy weights. Football will become a one-kick game, and there will be no need of stairs or elevators. Finally, Earth will also start breaking into chunks as it is held together by gravity.
Okay guys, so if you don't have gravity, we will not even have Earth. So gravity is so important, subhanallah. Okay, now let's answer some questions together. This is page 26. Okay, we're gonna put true or false. Gravity is a contact force. False. Good job. Why? Because gravity is non-contact force. Okay, you were right, guys. Okay. Number 2. Gravity pulls you toward Earth's center. Yeah, true. Number 3. By increasing gravity, the weight decrease. No, the weight increase. So this is false. Good job. The pull of gravity on lion is greater than mouse. Yeah, true. Why? Because the lion is much bigger. Okay. Your mass and weight are the same on Earth and on the moon? No. Yes, guys, your mass and weight? No, your mass is the same, but your weight change. On Earth and on the moon it change. So it's false. Number 2, complete using words from the box below. We have 3 words in the box. Masses, gravity, law of gravity. Number 1, what is a non-contact force that pulls things toward each other? Non-contact force, gravity. Good job. Okay, number 2 states that all objects are pulled toward one another by gravity. What do you think? Law of gravity. Good job. Number 3, the pull of gravity is greater on objects with more masses. Excellent, guys. Okay, now time for new words. Do you have your notebooks? Okay, first word. What is non-contact force? Non-contact force that pulls things toward each other. Gravity. Good job. Okay, the amount of gravity that pulls on an object. Okay, let's read. Your mass on Earth and on the moon is the same, but what is different? Wait, good job. Let's clap for you. Okay guys, I hope you have fun with me. This is all for today. See you next time, inshallah. Bye.